Consuming a diet rich in vegetables is vitally important for health. However, the way you store, prep, and cook vegetables can either boost or degrade their nutritional value. From excessive boiling to charring on the grill, there are many common cooking mistakes that leach vitamins and minerals from vegetables. Follow along as we cover the top 12 vegetable cooking errors that destroy nutrients, plus science-backed guidance on proper preparation methods to maximize the health benefits of your vegetables. Do watch till the end, as eating nutritious foods means little if you are cooking them the wrong way. So, do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Adding oil before cooking. It's tempting to coat vegetables in oil before sautéing to prevent sticking, but dousing vegetables directly in oil leads to rapid overheating. Once vegetables go into the pan, temperature drops significantly. Excess oil then promotes faster burning and oxidation. For caramelized veggies without charring, first heat your pan with just a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil. Then add vegetable pieces with space around each to prevent burning. Number 2. Not cooking some vegetables enough. Raw vegetables offer digestive enzymes and vitamin benefits from compounds like vitamin C and beta-carotene. However, other phytonutrients become more bioavailable when cooked. Lycopene absorption increases from tomatoes when heated. Mushrooms supply more potassium once cooked. Steaming boosts cancer-fighting sulfur compounds in bok choy and broccoli. Take a nuanced approach. Enjoy plenty of crisp raw veggies along with properly cooked ones to balance nutrition. Number 3. Cutting vegetables too far in advance. You may think washing and slicing vegetables ahead of time saves effort once dinner rolls around. However, the second the vegetables are cut, oxidation begins degrading antioxidant content. Early food prep also hastens moisture loss and wilting even when refrigerated. For peak crispness and nutrients, chop vegetables immediately before eating or on the same day. If washing delicate greens like spinach ahead, be sure to dry thoroughly and refrigerate with paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Number 4. Boiling vegetables to death. Drop vegetables in furiously boiling water and you cook away many B and C vitamins and minerals that dissolve easily. Prolonged boiling yields soggy, mushy texture and dull, faded color as well. Reserve this cooking method for brief blanching, soup making, or quickly par cooking dense roots. Instead, choose gentler cooking techniques like steaming, sautéing, roasting, and stir-frying to preserve texture and nutrition. If boiled vegetables are on tonight's menu, keep time brief and retain that vivid color, indicating retained antioxidants. Number 5. Overcrowding the pan. When too many vegetables pile into the pan at once, moisture has nowhere to evaporate. Florets begin steaming instead of properly sautéing, and vegetables braise in liquid instead of browning. Excess food also lowers pan temperature drastically. Give vegetables ample space to allow caramelization reactions and moisture evaporation that enhances flavor. Cook in batches to avoid a cramped pan and let those natural sugars shine. Number 6. Charring vegetables. A touch of char from the grill or oven provides delicious smoky notes, especially for robust vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, onions, and mushrooms. But significant blackening generates benzopyrene, the same carcinogen found in cigarette smoke. Limit char by using a grill basket and maintaining medium-high pan temperatures, never high heat. Take vegetables off heat while still lightly browned but well before edges blacken. Char may taste nice initially, but carries hidden long-term health risks. Number 7. Throwing out vegetable parts. Trimming vegetables before cooking often means discarding nutritious stems, leaves, and peels. Broccoli stalks, beet greens, carrot tops, and asparagus ends contain high concentrations of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Yet, many cooks chop them off without a second thought. Get into the habit of using the entire vegetable where possible, except potentially tough, lower stems. Add stalks, tops, and leaves into soups, sautés, baked goods, and smoothies. Waste not for optimal nutrition. Number 8. Roasting at too low temperature. For deliciously caramelized roasted vegetables, moisture needs to fully evaporate via high heat exposure. Low oven temperatures around 325 degrees Fahrenheit virtually steam vegetables, failing to achieve that sweet concentrated flavor. crispy edges, and tender interior. Crank your oven between 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and roast vegetables in a single layer on flat baking sheets. Convection settings work wonderfully as well. Proper technique and high heat transforms vegetables into crave-worthy flavors. Number 9. Cooking soaked vegetables. You diligently wash vegetables before cooking? Great. But excess moisture leads to boiled, soggy textures with muted flavor even on the stovetop or oven. Thoroughly pat away moisture before exposing vegetables to heat. The step takes only seconds but preserves the vivid color, texture, and taste your diligent chopping deserves. Number 10. Preparing vegetables identically every time. Variety is the spice of life. The same vegetable transforms in flavor and texture when roasted, grilled, breaded, marinated, pureed into soups, stuffed, baked into frittatas, etc. Explore new techniques and spice combinations. Garlic, paprika, and cumin add flair along the tamari dipping sauces. Number 11. Under-seasoning vegetables. Don't settle for just sprinkling with salt, pepper, and olive oil either. Infuse vegetables with flavor via zesty seasonings that highlight natural sugars. Balancing salty, sweet, and savory enhances tasting potential. Try lemon, herbs, chili powder, curry blends, vinaigrettes, and more based on preferences. Well-seasoned vegetables make converts out of sworn vegetable opponents. Number 12. Insufficiently washing vegetables. Conventionally grown produce contains higher residual pesticides and chemicals than organic options, but pathogens can reside on any vegetable from soil contact. Prevent foodborne illness and chemical consumption by thoroughly washing produce. Soak vegetables for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse well before eating, especially waxy skins. Scrub firm produce with vegetable brushes too. Adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to the water you soak your vegetables in will help to remove the residual pesticides and chemicals more effectively. Don't let inadequate washing reduce nutritional benefits. The next time you cook vegetables, keep these common preparation pitfalls in mind. With extra attention to cutting, cooking times, moisture, and seasoning, you can serve vibrant, flavorful vegetables that retain antioxidant vitamins critical for good health. Do you know of any other vegetable cooking tips? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn how to avoid these mistakes when cooking vegetables. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.